Dear friends, you must have so many aphorisms. As a man thinketh in his heart, so he is. I am the master of my fate and I am the captain of my soul. A man is the master of his thought, the molder of his life, and maker and shaper of his conditions, environment, and destiny. Dear friends, what I mean to say, we are what we think. All that we are arises with our thought. With our thought, we really make our world. All that we are is a result of what we have thought. It is founded in our thought, it is made of our thoughts. That's why, dear friends, think and become what you want to be. Think, make a clear picture of that thought, it becomes things in due course of time. Because every thought is a vibration. When you mix up your thought with very pure faith, belief that you are going to become. So you are the architect of your own fortune. A man is literally what he thinks, his character being the complete sum of his thoughts. Nobody is responsible for you. And if you really believe in yourself, then know it. Know thy power. Belief will supply you with all the conditions, circumstances, environment, courage, conviction, determination, passion to go for it, making consuming obsession of your life, and you are going to become a person of your dream. Believe it. In belief, there is a genuine creative magical power, and there will be magic in your life. Mix your belief with resolute faith, willpower, determination, commitment, drive, create a well-organized planning, fix your goal, willing to go extra mile, and never give up your faith, the capacity of applied faith, maintaining a sound physical health, a well-disciplined life, persevering, persisting, patiently progressing towards the realization of your worthy ideals, because the universal truth is we become what we think about. So again I remind you, what we are today is a result of what we have thought. We are made up of our thought. We are founded in our thought. The seed of thought is really creating every condition, circumstances for us. It embraces the whole of our life. So be wise. Think only what is truth, justice, peace, love, and non-violent way of thinking. Kindness, compassion, generosity. Make your mind free from greed, anger, hatred, jealousy, and cynical thoughts, because they will ruin your life. Give place only to the purity of thought and eliminate all the evil thoughts. That's why James Allen wrote, thought in the mind has made us. What we are by thought was wrought and built. If a man's mind has evil thought, pain comes to him as comes the wheel behind the ox that drives the carriage. But if you dwell in purity of thought, joy follows you as your own shadow that never leave you. Control your thought, control your destiny. You are literally what you think day and night. Your conditions, circumstances, your personality, your fate, destiny all revolves around your thinking. So be a good thinker. You become what you think about. That is also told by one of my best friend, Earl Nightingale, in The Strangest Secret. And everyone has taught from time to time. All the sages, saints, poets, sculptors, philosophers, they have guided us, but we do not think in the right direction. So the world is going the wrong direction. You saw what Donald Trump did in America? Evil soul, bestial human being, ignoble, groveling thought ruined the fabrics of the greatest and oldest democracy. Thank you.